What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing the details of how I'm able to get my curls clumped, juicy, and transformed, because right now it's a little bit questionable. Now, if you're new to my channel, then you probably don't know that I big chopped my hair exactly 1 week ago today. So right now we're working with air dried, freshly washed hair. She is in this round shape, and honestly it's so crazy to see how my hair looks like this now, but then when that water and them products hit this hair, they are so clumped and pretty and just ready to take on the world. If you're interested in checking out my big chop experience, I would definitely check out the video right before this one. So we're gonna be hopping right into this video because I'm excited to share pretty much the process, which is super simple. I love a simple process, especially when dealing with short hair. I don't think we should be using 10, 15, 20 products. Step 1, step 2, step 3, maybe a step 4, and you should be able to get beautiful curls. The first thing that I'm gonna do is separate my hair into sections, because sections is what works. You wanna make sure you're in control of every part of your hair, and especially with me, I have different textures in every single part of my head, so I have to do different things, okay? In this water bottle, I have some warm water, and I'm just gonna spray that all over the section. After we spray that water, we're gonna go in with some Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. I really love this product. It makes my hair feel so good. I'm gonna take a good amount of that product, about that much, because that's the benefit of having short hair now. I don't have to use a ton of product, and apply it all throughout this section. And then I like to make sure that the hair is fully detangled before going in with any gel. So I'm gonna take my Denman brush and kind of just brush through, actually kind of dividing that product throughout every strand also. Now, the next product for me is actually a product that I've been using as of recently. This is the Miche Beauty Tropical Oasis Hair Gel. When I'm telling you, this product clumps and defines. Oh my goodness. I'm taking about that much of the product. I'm gonna rub it through my hands first, and then I'm gonna apply directly to the hair. And you can see already how the curls are clumping together. This is without me trying to put any definition into my curls. Look at that. Miche Beauty, I'm not playing with you, okay? I'm actually gonna go in and try to define these curls a little bit more. So I'm gonna divide in smaller sections. And with my Denman brush, I'm gonna go in and just pretty much pass it through to define those curls even more. I'm gonna repeat that process on this side. Warm water, Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and then the Miche Beauty Tropical Oasis Hair Gel. Already this section is looking amazing. Look at those curls, y'all. I'm just gonna continue doing that with the rest of my hair. I'm gonna come back and focus on the front, because this is where I have a little bit of trouble area, and this is where my hair is transitioning a little bit more. So I'm gonna come back in a little bit and share exactly what I do with the top of my head. Made it to the top of the head, and this, like I said, is my very tricky area. So I like to divide this top section into 2, because this front piece I like for it to drop on my face so that I can be able to style however I want to, and then this piece right here I like to kind of send it everywhere. Now sometimes I have some very defiant areas where I have to go in and just finger coil so it could take some shape. Front section, same process, except we're gonna spend a little bit more time finger coiling. And I'm gonna start dividing it into the subsections. My Denman brush. See how the Denman brush kind of does most of the work, but I still have some pieces that need a little extra loving. So I go in here and I just finger coil. Is what we're looking like, and it's crazy how this transforms into such a big poof. But before I go in and diffuse, I like to take some more water and just coat everywhere. And then I like to kind of just scrunch everything, shake them. Curls looking so nice and juicy and clumpy. So now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and diffuser and dry my hair. That's gonna take a hot minute, 45-ish minutes. Well, maybe because my hair is shorter, it might be a lot less time. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair and then come back and share what that looks like. Just wrapped up with the diffusing process, and this is what my hair is looking like. She is shrunk, babes. She is a teeny weeny afro indeed. I feel like my hair is like 95% dry. There are some areas that could use a little bit more, but I like a little bit more volume, and I like for the air drying process to kind of help my curls shape however they want to. What I'm going to do next is take some of this Matrix Acrylic Dream hair and scalp oil, and this is going to help me pretty much break the cast within the hair so that I can be able to fluff out my hair a little bit more while still keeping the definition. And as I'm applying this, I'm pretty much just like trying to stretch the curl so I can get more of a puff and it won't be so flat. I actually don't own a pick anymore, so I'm gonna take this comb that my mom has and use the back end to kind of pick out the hair. I guess this would be the pick for the comb, but this is gonna help me create a little bit more volume. I like more volume than anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch these curls. They look so pretty. Now I do have a couple of little stragglers around here, so I'm going to cut these pieces off because this is just who I am. I don't recommend this, but I have some shears and I have power to do so, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And now of course we have to do our baby hairs because I am nothing without my baby hairs being fleet. Okay, for that I'm just gonna use any edge control that I have around here. So oh, here goes this braid gel. And just like that, we have some beautiful defined curls. I'm obsessed. When I see my hair like this is what keeps me going. I'm like, okay, yes, I see the vision. I see what it's gonna look like when it's long, because yes to the defined, beautiful curls. Let me give you guys a full 360. I love when I do something, especially on camera, and it actually comes to life, because it goes to show that the curls are there. They're popping, they're defined, they're shiny, they're so cute. If you were looking for a way to get your curls exactly where you need them to be, I got you, girl.